Hello everyone. So welcome to another week of your general reading as per my tarot cards. So what is the general message for all for this week? Well, this week finances is one of the main concerns that we all are going to face. Financial issues will be hovering over all of us this week. Some may be worrying about how to arrange finances. Some may be worrying around about how to take actions and execute their plans for their financial needs ahead. But don't worry, you're not the only one who's going to be sailing in this boat. So at least feel rest assured that everyone is sailing in the same boat as you. Definitely, all our higher deities and definitely our higher goddesses are taking care of us. So be rest assured that our worries and woes will be taken care of, provided we are on the right path and provided that we are doing everything which is as per the universal laws. What I mean to say is that whatever ways of your earnings are, if they are as per the right financial universal laws, then definitely you will see help coming in. So be rest assured of that. Secondly, this week is going to bring a relief for all those who are suffering physical ailments. So be rest assured that you will start feeling a little relief from this week. So that's a good news. The universe will definitely send in healings, and at the ground level, if you are facing physical challenges, please go for alternative therapies. They will work much better for you. Healing will work wonders for you to get out of your physical challenges this week. This week is great to get hooked. So for those who are in an interesting romance and want to take a step ahead in it, it's a good week for that. For those who are already committed or into a marriage, then it's a perfect week to get those differences sorted and just get some time and bonding with each other and make your relationship stronger. What is one more thing that is very, very important and very, very essential for this week is that you need to meditate. You need to really sit in silence. I'm not joking on this. You really need to spend some quiet time on your own and reflect. All the answers are within, and that will help you deal with all the chaos that is outside you. So go within, get all your answers, and you'll be able to handle all the situations outside very beautifully. Lastly, I would just like to end that the universe is constantly throwing us all collectively in a pattern. So this pattern is not just thrown to us any which ways. There is a reason why this is happening, and there's a lesson that needs to be learned. The moment the lessons are learned individually, we'll all start seeing light at the end of the shore, no matter what the turmoil is around. So be rest assured and have a great week ahead. I really hope that this video helps you, and if you like it, definitely do share it ahead. Drop in your feedbacks. Please follow our YouTube channel on Bliss Yoga by Bijal. Definitely follow our Insta and FB pages, Bliss Yoga by Bijal, and stay updated on our yoga and tarot posts. Have a great week.